This video is regarding pipes in Angular. So pipes are used to transform data in the template. There are several types of inbuilt pipes. One is uppercase pipe, another one is lowercase pipe. Uppercase pipe transforms text to uppercase. Lowercase transforms text to lowercase. Date pipe, it formats the dates. Other one is currency pipe. It formats number into currency. And percent pipe, it formats numbers as a percentage. There is a JSON pipe which displays data as JSON. And slice pipe, it extracts a portion of an array or string. So let's see it with examples. So let's in app.component file, let's create a property called message of type string is equals to hi. Okay. And we will use pipes while rendering the message. Okay, while rendering the div. Let's see. Let's say message here. This is interpolation. Let's go to UI. So we are seeing hi developers. So I want all these characters in uppercase. We will use pipe for this. Which pipe we will use? We will use this uppercase pipe. That will transform text to uppercase. And pipes we apply in the template file. This is the syntax. Okay. Now it will automatically uppercase the characters like this. So uppercase pipe is applied and is working. Now lowercase, we can make it lowercase also. All the characters will become lowercase. Okay, it's working. Now next pipe is, so we have discussed uppercase and lowercase pipe. Next one is date pipe. What date pipe? It format the dates. Let's go to component file. We can comment it for now. We can comment it. Okay. Current date. Let's make a variable current date. So today's date we will get it here of type date is equals to new. So it will show today's date. Okay. Now what we will do, it's capital. Now we will print this date. Let's make another div. And we will print date. Print. Okay. We will use interpolation. Let's go to UI. So it is printing today's date. But as you can see, we are getting the full format for the date, but we want only date here. Okay. We want only date. So let's use the date format. Date. And inside date, we need only full date. Okay. So let's check. Okay. Now we are getting Tuesday, December 24, 2024. Okay. So what we have done, the date pipe formats the current date into a full date string. Okay. Date of full date string. Okay. So this is regarding pipe, date pipe. Now another one is currency pipe. Okay. Let's comment this code. Make another variable price of type number, let's say 1000. Okay, let's go to template file, comment this code. Okay, we will print this price. Okay, now it is showing only 1000, but we want it to show it as USD. Okay, so we will use this currency pipe, currency. Okay, of type USD. Okay, let's check. Okay, so we are getting this currency symbol, that is USD symbol also, using this currency pipe. Okay, so the currency pipe has formatted the price as a currency string with the symbol USD. Now coming to next pipe is percent pipe. It formats number as percentages. Okay, let's comment this code. Let's say fraction of type number is equals to, let's say 0.25. Okay, we will convert it into percentage. H1. Firstly, we will print it fraction. So in the UI, it is showing us 0.25. So we will use now percent pipe. Save it and let's go to UI. Now it is showing 25%. So percent pipe is also inbuilt pipe, but it has converted the fraction into a percentage. So the fraction 0.25, the output will be 25%. Now the next pipe is JSON pipe. Let's comment this code. So what JSON pipe do? It converts the user object into a JSON string. So here we will give some user object. So JSON pipe, what it does, it converts the object into a JSON string. Let's say user object has name Kashish and say age. Let's say any age 34. Okay. Now we have created a user object and we will print it in the UI. Div. Okay. Div 3. Okay. Let's print user only. It is showing object. Now if we use the JSON pipe, it will show as a JSON. Okay, so the JSON pipe has converted the object into a JSON string. Okay, the next pipe is slice pipe. So slice pipe, what it does, it extract the, let's suppose if we want to extract some characters from the string, we will use slice pipe. Let's comment this code. Let's see, we have a message. Of type string is equals to let's say hi developers. Okay, let's print only message first. So in the UI, we are getting high developers. Now we will use slice pipe. Slice. Let's say 0 to 2. Save it. So we are getting high here because the slice pipe has extracted the first two characters from the string message. This is how we use slice pipe.